Here are a few quotes attributed to Amadeo Avogadro. I will devote my life to the study of the constitution of bodies. This quote reflects Avogadro's commitment to understanding the fundamental nature of matter. The number of molecules in a given volume of gas is proportional to the volume, provided the temperature and pressure are constant. This summarizes Avogadro's law, which was a crucial insight in the development of modern chemistry. My name may be lost, but my works will be remembered. Avogadro was aware that his contributions might not be immediately recognized, but he believed in the lasting impact of his work. These quotes reflect his passion for science and his significant contribution to the field of chemistry, particularly in understanding the behavior of gases. Amadeo Avogadro, known primarily for his work in molecular theory, didn't leave behind many personal quotes, and much of what is attributed to him comes from his scientific writings. Here are a few statements that capture his scientific thinking. Equal volumes of gases, at the same temperature and pressure, contain the same number of molecules, regardless of the type of gas. This is a paraphrased version of Avogadro's hypothesis, which later became Avogadro's law. We are led to conclude that gases of equal volume, when compared under the same conditions of temperature and pressure, have an equal number of molecules. Another statement expressing his famous hypothesis, which was foundational to molecular chemistry. To determine the relative weights of molecules, one must know the densities of gases. Reflecting on the importance of gas density in understanding molecular weight, Avogadro's work laid the groundwork for later developments in chemistry, but as a figure of the early 19th century, his words were often technical and not widely circulated as quotes. Amadeo Avogadro, primarily known for his contributions to molecular theory, didn't leave behind many personal or philosophical quotes. His legacy is largely scientific, so what we know of him comes from his research and scientific papers. Here are a few statements closely associated with his work. Equal volumes of gases, under the same conditions of temperature and pressure, contain an equal number of molecules. This statement summarizes Avogadro's hypothesis, which is now known as Avogadro's law. To be able to determine the relative masses of molecules, we must first ascertain the densities of the gases under study. This reflects Avogadro's focus on the importance of gas density in understanding molecular weights. By comparing different kinds of molecules, it is possible to establish relations between their masses, which allows us to determine the proportions in which elements combine. This quote highlights his work on understanding molecular masses and their role in chemical reactions. These quotes illustrate his scientific insights and the fundamental principles that have had a lasting impact on chemistry.